Null safety is now available in beta for Dart and Flutter. Null safety is a productivity feature intended to help you avoid null errors, a class of bugs that are often hard to spot. For a quick summary of why we're excited about null safety, check out the video on the post linked in the description below or by swiping up on Instagram. Android Studio Arctic Fox is now available on the Canary channel, together with a new alpha of the Android Gradle plugin. To learn more about both, including over 200 quality improvements and bug fixes, check out the post. Dataform leverages BigQuery's innovative architecture, allowing for practically unlimited scale to enable analysts and engineers to manage all their data processes within BigQuery. We recently welcomed Dataform to Google Cloud and have made it free to all users. For information and a link to get started, check out the post. Container threat detection is now generally available to help you monitor and secure your container deployments in Google Cloud. It's a Security Command Center premium tier built-in service that detects the most common container runtime attacks and alerts you to any suspicious activity. For all the details and to get started today, take a look at the post. Chrome 88 is now in beta with a digital goods API for querying and managing digital products to facilitate in-app purchases from web applications. Also included are new origin trials for AR lighting estimation and more. For all the release details, head on over to the post. Fuzz testing is a well-known technique for uncovering programming errors and is traditionally used on native languages such as C or C++. Last year, we built a new Python fuzzing engine. It's called the Atheris fuzzing engine, and we just released it as open source. To learn more about it and check out some sample code, click through to the post.